May beach doon. Ganda ng mga bulaklak ng damo. Nice. May bird dyan, guys. Volleyball. Siya nga pala guys, nandito kami sa Birds Hill. Ayun yung kanilang beach. Man-made beach. Napakalawak. Guys, nakakatakot. Baka may lumabas na bear. Napakatahimik. May bear kasi dito eh. Tapos may anak siya. Tatlo. May mga cub. Tapos may mother bear. Minsan naman yung reindeer. Lalabas dyan. Kasi masukal na dun eh. Oh. Wala, pababado kami. What's inside? Oh my. Tignan natin guys. Anong meron dito? Ano ba itong halaman na to? Ihi ka na pa. Wala pa. Bawal dyan. May camera dyan pa, CCTV. Ay nak, siguro pwedeng mamingwit dyan, no?
Walang isda dyan.
Why? Kasi may gamot.
Bigyan kita. Pang ano yun eh. I-search mo kung bakit ano. Wow. Canadian Wild. We're here with a Filipina who just arrived here in Canada back in May 2026. So what do you want to say? And what can you say about your experience here in Canada?
Awesome. I'm feeling great. I'm here again in Canada for the 5th time. And this time I'm an immigrant.
Wow,
Congratulations.
amazing. And here we are, the new arrived Filipino.
Oh, this is the second time in Canada.
Second time.
Yeah.
Ibig sabihin, may ano ba yan? Aso. Aso ba yan o reindeer? So, inikot namin ng Birch Hill.
Black finger on my finger.
Ang ganda ng araw. Pauwi na kami guys. Tapos na ang aming walking. Hindi naman kami naligo kasi malamig ang tubig. Isa pa, fake naman yun eh. Fake lake. May nagpo-football dun. Oh. May playground pa pala dito. Oh. So, pag meron kayong kids, tiyak na matutuwa dyan. Bye for now guys. Pauwi na kami kasi baka abutan kami ng dilim. It's already 8:30 in the evening. Bye!